Hi, my name is Ashton Richards. I'm a sales consultant with Feith Consulting, and I wanted to go over more of the online learning module with you. And this time we're going to go over the certifications and the membership cards. So same as before, you go under the features and features and online learning for admin menu. So we're going to click on the certifications tab here. So on our Pastry Chefs of America demonstration site, you can see that we have multiple certifications that are here right now. To add a new one, you'll just click this add new certification, and it would look the exact same as if I were to click this edit pencil here. So I'll just go ahead and do the edit for now so you can see how this would look when creating one. So to begin with, you'd have to put in the certification name. You'll include how many days until it expires. If you don't want it to ever expire, like it says here, you can just set it for 0 and it'll just never expire. You can put in a description for the certification. If you want to include an image, you can say yes here, otherwise you can just leave it as no. If you want to have an auto reminder enabled to be sent out to those who have the certification, that is an option here. You can set up the days before the expiration date, so when the reminder goes out, if you have the auto reminder enabled. The reminder from name you can put here, the email address, what the subject line would be, and then what the message is for that reminder. If you want people to be able to just apply for this certification, you have the option to do that here. If you want it to be something that new members are awarded, you can do that here. So this would be something like if you want all of your members to have a certification to show that yes, they are a member of your organization, this would be the option you'd want to check for that. If you want to have a logo image for your certification, you can just hit yes here. And with that, you would just then upload what your image file would be. And then you just save it, and your certification's been created. So back here, we're going to go over some of these other options. So under the actions section, there's members, reports, reminders, areas, edit, and delete. So edit, again, it's going to be the exact same view as like when you were setting up the certification. If you click on the people icon here, which is members, it will show you who all has this certification already. So who it is, when the certification was bound to their account, when the certification expires, how it is they obtained the certification, if they've been notified of the expiration for that. And then there's the actions where you can view the certification as an image, as a PDF. You can view details of it, which includes the member name, member number, when the date was created, when it expires, what it was created by, which in the case of a course, it'll list out what the course is and any other notes. So all of that is included when you're looking at the members who hold that certification. So next, if we go into the report section, you can view an expiration report. So in this expiration report, it'll look like a lot of the other reports that we have here, and it'll include last name, first name, member type, expiration date, the email, the employer, join date, and then you can print out this report as well. Then there's the reminders. If you want to manually set up a reminder, you just come into here, click on new reminder, reminder name, the from name, email, reminder days, and then unlike with the auto reminder option, you can set this up to be before or after the expiration date, and then that's just what this day count will be. The email subject, the reminder text. So all this is still the same as the auto reminder. The main difference here is this is when you're setting up manually, and because of that, you can set it up to be after the expiration date if that's the way you want to do it. The areas section is just if you want to have certain areas required to get the certification, like when people are applying for a certification, you can do that here. If there's another certification you want to copy, there's the option down here. You just do this drop down, select whichever one of these it is, and just copy those fields over. That's pretty much all there is to the certification piece. So next we will get into the digital membership cards. So in here, again, in the test site, we do have a few that are set up already. So creating a new card would be the same as editing an existing card. So we're just going to go through here. So you'd create what the name of the card is, the description of the card. If you want to limit it to only members who have paid their dues, then you can do that here. If you want to restrict it to certain member types, you can do that here as well. If you want it to be available to all members, you just leave all of these boxes unchecked. You would then hit save and continue. And on the next page here, it allows for you to upload an image. You can adjust the preview size with the slider here. You can change the font color, all these different options here to really customize how your digital membership card would look. Then at the top here, you can do view base card image as well as preview what the final card would look like. And that's what it would look like. So hopefully you found this brief video helpful, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks. Have a great day.